In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can copy commands in different ways. So let's start with the circle command. Enter. Feature. Here I'm using tool sheet. Now select your object. Go to the move and then press Ctrl. Press here. First, drag your mouse. You can place anywhere, otherwise if you want any distance then type 5 feet. Enter. When you want one copy, then normally select your object, move, control, select your object and then place. If you want numbers of copies, select your object, go to the move, control, select your object and then drag your mouse. First mention the distance. Here I want 5 feet. You are in a command. You can see it's blue. So you are in the command. Now type how many copies you want. For example, I want 7. 7x. Enter. You can see what I did. First select your object. Go to move. Control, select here, drag your mouse, mention the distance and then how many copies you want? 10. X, enter. Okay. If you have any particular distance and you want copies between that, for example, circle, move, control, and then place on 50 feet. And you want copy backward. How many copies you want? You can write here with the backslash. Now I want backslash. And how many copies you want? For example, here I want 5. X. Enter. What I did? Use your object. Whatever you want, go to move, control, backslash and then numbers of copies 8x. Okay. Same you can use with the staircase. How you can do it? First, draw your first step 3 feet 6 inches by 10 inches. Enter. Push and pull button 6 inches high. Now make a group. Select and then make a group. Go to the move and then control. Click here to here. Now, how many copies you want? Just mention. For example, here I want 15. 15x. Enter. What I did? First step you have to draw 3 feet 6 inches by 10 inches. Enter. Pull and push button 6 inches. Make a group. Select and then make a group. Go to the move and then control plus first point and then second point. How many copies you want? For example, now I want 17. 17x. Enter. You can see. You can use copy command according to your requirement. One copy, numbers of copies, backwards, or you can use with staircase. It's up to you.